Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to learn about the high voltage amplifier, right? So in the past two videos we have understood about the low power amplifier, then femtoampere amplifier, and in this video we are going to understand about high voltage amplifier. So we will understand the application of high voltage amplifier, and we will also understand the different parameters of high voltage amplifier, right? So as the name suggests, high voltage, that means the it has wide power supply voltage range and it can work up to 100 volt. If you're talking about the single ended power supply, it can work up to 100 volt. Have dual ended power supply, that means plus and minus, it can work up to plus minus 5 volt. It can work plus minus 5 volt to plus minus 50 volt. Okay, so since you can see here, the power supply range is wide and it can work up to 100 volt. That is why it is called high voltage amplifier. Now the other parameter is output load drive, that is 50 amps. So it can drive this up to 50 amps, and that is why it is also called high current amplifier. Okay, so this OPA454 is high voltage high current amplifier with the gain of 1, which is very stable, with the stable gain. So if you look at the other parameter, like gain is 1, input offset voltage is 4 millivolt. So until now we have seen the femtoampere opamp and low power opamp. There we have seen the input offset voltage was in microvolt. Now you can see in the high voltage high current amplifier, your input offset voltage is 4 millivolt. Okay, and you can also see the CMMR is 147. So sorry guys, here you can see 1147, but it's 147, it's not 1147. Okay, now let us go back in the data sheet of OPA 454 and see the different application of high voltage high current amplifier, right? So this is the data sheet of OPA 454, and here you can see the different application. Okay, so you can see here this is used in avalanche photodiode, high voltage current sense, piezoelectric cells, transducer drives, servo drivers, audio amplifier, high voltage compliance current sources, and general high voltage regulator and power. Okay, so guys, now I hope you have understood the application of high voltage high current opamp or operational amplifier. Okay, if you have any further question, feel free to ask me in comments.